Hi, Year 2. I hope you are okay. So we're going to have a look today again at our adjectives, nouns and verbs. So we did adjectives yesterday and today we are going to look at nouns. Okay, so I'm going to go through this quickly. We said that an adjective describes the noun. So I thought it would be a good idea today to look at what a noun is. Okay, can you tell me what you think a noun is? We've done this before in our classroom. I'll give you a clue. I'm going to show this. I'll turn this around and show our working wall where we've got some nouns, verbs, and adjectives here. If you can see them, nouns, your adjectives, and our verbs. So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing, isn't it? Okay. So it's a person, a place, or a thing. So let's have a look here. So we've got here a list of a person. We've got the name Scarlett. She's a person, a footballer, a doctor, a teacher, a boy, and a pop star. They are all a person, aren't they? Let's have a look here. The next one. Oh, is it going to let me do it? We have got here a name of a place. So we've got school, London, which is the capital of the United Kingdom, isn't it? We've got a shop, a church, a swimming pool, and a beach because they are all a place, aren't they? Okay, let's have a look at the next one. A thing, so like an object or a thing. So we've got here a book, a cat, a pencil, a television, a ball, and a chair. So we had a chat, didn't we, about finding some nouns in our Little Red Hen story. So you could carry on doing that today if you've got a copy of that. Find the nouns in your writing. But what we are going to do now is you are going to have a look at this and find the noun. Remember, a noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. So let's have a look at this one first. Candle. Do we think that is a noun? I do, yes, because it is a person, a place, or a thing. It's a thing, isn't it? It's an object, is a candle. What about the word pretty? That's right, that's an adjective, isn't it? So that is not a noun. So what I'd like you to do now is to pause this video and to find all of the nouns in this. I'm going to count how many I can find as well, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there are 13. I think, but we'll go through that in a minute and just double check. So if you pause it now, find your nouns, write them down, and then we will go through that in a minute. Okay. Oh, Miss Snowden just came to knock at the door then to talk to me. So we will go through now what nouns you have found. Okay, so we have got here candle. That is a noun. Well done. So we've got candle, that's one. The word pretty, no, that's an adjective. Dancing, that's a verb, but we're going to look at that tomorrow. Owl, that is a person, a place, or a thing, isn't it? It's a thing, is an owl. So we've got two. Bird, yeah, person, place, or thing, another noun. Joshua, that's a person, a place, or a thing. 4. Flying, that's a verb because that's an action. Plane, that is a person, a place, or a thing, isn't it? So we've got 5 now. A car, that is a person, a place, or a thing. Tree, that is a person, a place, or a thing. So 6. Hope you're keeping count now. I've got 6. I'm going to write 6 because I'm going to run out of fingers in a minute. Brown, that's a colour. So that's actually an adjective because it's describing something. Crispy, that's an adjective because that's describing something. Tall, that's an adjective because that's describing something. Trousers, that is a noun because it's a person, a place, or a thing. It's a thing, isn't it? Let's that's another one. 7. T-shirt, that is a thing. So that's another one for that. T-shirt. Bed, that's a thing. Another one for that. Dog, another one. It's a noun. Jacket, that's a noun. Skipping rope, that's a noun because it's an object. Shiny, that is not, that is an adjective. So let me just check. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I only got 12. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do you know what I missed out? Missed out tree. I think I went straight to from tree to brown, didn't I? Let's have a look at this. Find the nouns in these sentences. Let's read this sentence together. The trousers are blue. The dog is small. Look at the beautiful owl. Right, your turn to read it now. This sentence here first. Now this sentence. Now this sentence. Okay, now your job is here to find the nouns in these sentences. Remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Let's have a look at this then. That's right, it's trousers. Let's have a look at this one. The dog is small. Where's my person, place, or thing? It's here, it's the dog. The dog is the object, isn't it? It's a thing. Let's have a look at here. Look at the beautiful owl. Owl is the noun. Well done, superstars. Okay, your job today is going to be to make yourself a list and find nouns, but I want you to put them into different columns: people, places, and things. So you can try and draw that, please, with try use a ruler if you've got one, but don't worry if you don't. So you're going to go on a noun hunt around your house and list them into different columns. As an extra challenge, choose some of your nouns and use an adjective to describe them. So, for example, you might go around your house and list all the people in your house, might you? That is your people nouns. You found all the people in your house. Places. A noun hunt in your house. You could find your house could be a noun. You could also come up with some of your own places of a noun. You might put school on there, some places you know. Maybe do that, and then go around your house and find some things, some objects. I'm expecting this list to be quite big. And as an extra challenge, you could then choose some of your nouns and put them in a sentence using an adjective. So using the work we've done yesterday, use an adjective to describe one of the nouns in your list, or see how many you can do, okay? That is amazing work from you today, and I'm going to be looking at verbs tomorrow. Okay, so we'll have looked at adjectives, nouns, and verbs, and we're going to be doing some great sentence writing as well, okay, with that. So have a lovely day, everybody, and I shall see you on your videos tomorrow. And it's Mrs. Bayfield teaching you tomorrow, but Mrs. Cochran's going to do your videos, but she's going to do a live Zoom lesson for you. Fingers crossed the internet works with that. Okay, see you later. Bye, you two.